I lost my husband several years ago and moved out of my home, which I love dearly, and felt a little depressed. And Pappy came into my life and filled the void, and he's been a wonderful companion. I was looking for an older dog. I wanted to maybe outlive the dog, and he just had such a tender, beautiful look. I looked into his eyes. He was absolutely the dog for me. I felt very secure in adopting from the Humane Society because they evaluate the dogs. I know they're healthy, and there are so many that need homes, and I think that's the place to go for adoption. When I contacted them about this dog, they told me that he was in a foster home, and they arranged to have the foster parents bring him to my home and made the adoption very easy for me. He is the most loyal companion you could ever ask for. He loves to sit on my lap. I never have to worry about him running off when I take him for a walk. He's a perfect gentleman.